This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your primary mouse button on the Manjaro Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button by default should be the left side, but you can change it to the right side. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, down to my Application Launcher button. I'm going to click on Application Launcher. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over Settings. Then I'm going to go straight off to the right, up to System Settings. I'm going to click on System Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, under Input and Output, Mouse and Touchpad. You want to click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on the center pane, next to General, it says Left-Handed Mode. That will change your primary mouse button. By default, that is probably not checked, but if you want to check that, then you go down to the very bottom and you click on Apply. Now my clicking button has become on my right side. And to change it back, you would just uncheck that. Go back down to the bottom, click on Apply. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Manjaro Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.